Hello guys, welcome back to Info Officially. Yes, you read it right. It's Chainsaw Man. And yeah, I did not drop it that early. But yeah, I made sure that I drop it as soon as I could. I'm the one editing and I'm not that great at editing, but still, I'm still gonna deliver. Yeah, well, you know, yeah, it's been a couple of build-ups to this. I've always loved. Sorry, I had a call. Sorry about that. Sorry. Okay, all phones off. Yeah. So there've been a lot of build-ups to this anime. I've reacted to the two trailers. I've been anticipating this for a very very long time. Honestly, I've been anticipating this for a very long time, and I'm really really glad that we are finally here to react to the show. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Come on. So, okay, guys, let's go. Let's go. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Yeah. What's going on? What's going on? Well, is this gonna start? Well, it's an horror anime, but let's go. Let's go. Oh, okay. So we saw this from the trailer. I think this is where it lives. Oh my god, your place is shit. This place is so shitty, man. This place is so shitty. Where's it walking? Oh my god, is it living in the middle of nowhere? That's crazy. That's crazy, yo.
月収6万だろ。この間売った腎臓が120万。
Wait, yo, bro saw this kidney. I'm about to do that too, man. Wait, what? Wait, hold up. Pause. Pause. Did you just say you sold your nuts? Hey, yo, this dude is.
3804万円。
What did you do to all that kind of money?
ポチタ、分かってるって。
Wait, hold up.
殺しちまうか。
Okay, so
殺せばだいたい30万。
that is some freaky little pet. Wow. Okay, so it's a devil hunter. He's the chainsaw man. The devil hunter with the chainsaw. Oh my god, this is crazy. Okay, the opening. It's time for the opening, guys. Time for the opening. Man, that was cool. That was cool. Mappa coming up with the shit. It has this kind of sitcom type of opening. Power. Wait, what was that? What was that close up, bro? Okay. That was nice. Wow. Is that do I sense a ship? Is there gonna be a ship? And of course, with the chainsaw coming out of his body and shit. Yeah, of course. Hey yo, this music is dope, man. This music is dope. Man, I can't wait to watch the full season, man. I can't wait for the next episode to drop. And I'm not even done with the first episode, man. Come on. Man, this anime is gonna be so much fun. Although anime intros never really relate to the anime sometimes, but still. It does mean something. The anime intros always have hidden meanings, but like, what kind of hidden meanings that's fun? Tomato devil. Oh my god, I know someone who names things like that. Who are you? 400,000. Hey yo, this dude is just paying debts upon debts upon debts. 70,000. Oh my god. And we know from Japan currency that's shit. That's just shit. That's not even. That's nothing. Whoa, how? Bro, the cost of living here must be really, really high, man. But that's a really, really cool pet. Well, damn. Of course. There's no way someone like that could just like. Oh, so we got the Yakuza here now. Oh, so his name is Denji. Yeah, I remember that from the trailer. Bro said, bro, do anything to pay, man. Like, how can you inherit your father's debts? That's crazy. That's some crazy shit about the movie. He didn't eat it. I wouldn't either. Yeah, that was really nice. That was smart. I guess that explains his house and stuff. Bro, you might be able. Oh, I relate to that, bro. I relate to that too. I'm just kidding. Oh, that would be really nice, dude. That's a very, very nice dream. Just go for it, man. Go for it. Go for that dream. That would be very nice. And I'm assuming that this is foreshadowing the girl that is gonna go out with. She's at a funeral. I shouldn't have said that. I'm sorry. Damn. Oh no, this is the one. Oh my god. How could I? Wait, is that a guy or is that him or is that a girl? That's him, right? Yeah, that's him. That's definitely him. It's a flashback. You have to tame it. Then the chaser was like, bro, what's up, man? Oh, damn. Damn, that's crazy. So it can hear him. By the way, I want to commend the animation. Mappa really went all out for this. The animation is really nice. Oh my god, look at that. Oh, so they are business partners. I thought it was his pet, but like, yeah, no one wants to die, bro. No one wants to die. Shit. That's crazy. And bro's already growing up and he still hasn't paid enough. He hasn't paid enough. Dude. The devil isn't even.
今日寝たら見る夢。食パンにジャム塗って、ポチタと食って、女とイチャイチャしたりして、一緒に部屋でゲームして。
At least he has a pet. Like, you need to have a pet if you are lonely as fuck. Like, at least have a pet. A lot of lonely people have pets. Is he okay? Oh, shit. What's going on with him? Oh, that's great. Now you have to pay for hospital bills. Now that man is just using him because he's good. I don't think the man really cares about the money and stuff. But it's a lot of money though. Anime fathers are just shit. Everyone knows anime fathers are shit. Like, anime fathers are the worst.
見させてほしいよな。
Oh, that's crazy. That's crazy. Yo. This is actually getting like their love. Oh my god, look at this animation, bro. Look at this lighting. Man, this is crazy. This is crazy. Mappa is the GOAT. No better could have made this anime. I assure you, there is no
こんなとこに
better
集まってたんす
person
か
that would animate this, man.
見当たらないっすけど、どっか隠れたんすかね。あ、
Well, you
もしか
shouldn't
して帰
shout.
っちゃったとか。
If it's hiding, you shouldn't shout. Just get ready to pull your pet by the ass. Just pull it by the ass. Oh my god. Oh shit, they're about to kill him.
はい。
Oh no, they're going to kill him. They're going to try him because, like, it's the first episode.
はあ。
Oh my god. Oh no. I was wrong about this dude. Oh shit. Oh shit. Fuck. Fuck.
俺たちヤクザもよ、もっと強くなって稼ぎてえからよ。
Oh no.
悪魔と契約することにしたんだ。
Oh no.
俺たちが望むのは悪魔の力。
Oh
悪
no.
魔望むのはデビルハンターの
Dead.
死。
Ah,
デビルハン
fuck.
ターくん、マジこいつらバカだよ。めっちゃバカ。悪魔の力あげるっつったらさ、自分たちから僕の奴隷になってやがんのな。
Oh, so now
力でゾンビになっ
he doesn't have to pay them. Yeah, that's cool. That's
ゾン
awesome.
ビの悪魔だから。
Zombie
デビルハンター
devil.
は僕ら悪魔殺すから嫌い。だから殺しちゃうんだ。
Cool.
みんな。
Cool.
そいつバラバラにしてゴミ箱にでも捨てちゃって。
Man, I love horror animes, man. I love horror. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Just the door. You just have to make it, bro. Man, you just have to make it. You just have to make it. Yeah, zombies are dumb. Oh no, that zombie climbed over. Okay. Fuck, it's catching up to him. It's catching up to him. Oh fuck! 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 Oh my god. No! No! Oh fuck! Shit! Shit! How is he not dead? How is he not dead?
金持ちになりたいわけじゃねえ。
He just wants to be alive. He just wants a normal life, bro. Damn, this is crazy. How did he survive this? I want to see how he survived this. Oh, fuck. Fuck. Is this gonna be some Attack on Titan shit? Where, you know, Eren gets eaten or killed or something and he comes back as a Titan? Oh, fuck. No. Bro's dead. He's dead as fuck. Oh, no. The 1 in a million chance. The 1 in a million chance that gets into his mouth. The 1 in a million chance. Oh, fuck.
ポーチと仕事に行くぜ。
Oh, fuck. Fuck. The chainsaw fight. That shit is funny as fuck, man.
ポチタ、俺は悪魔と戦ってるうちに死ぬかもしれね
Oh, man.
え。そうしたらポチタだけが心残りだ。腹すかして死ぬかもしれねえし。
Well, so he really loves
デビルハンターに
Pochita as his
殺される
pet,
かもしれね
man. He really loves Pochita.
え。 悪魔には死んだ人の体を乗っ取れるやつもいるらしい。
Oh no.
ポチタにそれができるんだったら、俺の体をポチタにあげてんだ。
Oh.
墓入った後だったらヤクザも追ってこれないだろ。そんでこの町を出て、そんで普通の暮らしをして、
Pochita's gonna take over
普通の死に方を
Denji's body.
俺の夢を叶えてくれよ。
Wow. And live a normal life. Oh, man. Oh. So he really died. Fuck, this, oh my god. Oh my god.
ポチタ、
Oh, Pochita's cute as fuck, bro.
ちゃんと奪えたか。
私はデンジの夢の話を聞くのが好きだった。
Okay, freak out.
これは契約だ。私の心臓をやる。代わりにデンジの夢を私に見せてくれ。
ポチタ、
Oh my god, he dreamt about it. Pochita's gone.
傷が
Pochita's gone. Pochita's inside him. Pochita is inside him. Oh. Pochita is inside him. Oh, now he's a devil.
どういうこと？バラバラにしても生きてんの？なんで？キモ？やっぱ僕デビルハンター嫌い。
Bro, even the zombies should know that he's a devil now. Okay, drag it, bro. Pull it. Oh my god, this is about to get fucking hype, bro. This is about to get fucking hype. Come on, man. Come on. Oh, protagonist monologue. Pull it, bro. Pull it. Oh. Okay. Come on, man.
さすがに食い殺しは死ぬだろう。
Okay, guys, I think I have been trolled here. I have been trolled. I have been bamboozled. I have been trolled, man. Oh my god. Oh my god, do you hear that? Do you hear that, guys? Come on, man. Come on. Pull up, bro. Pull up. Oh, fuck. He looks so good, bro. Shit. He looks amazing. He's a devil, you dumbass. Yeah, but you're still gonna die. Yeah, why did you kill me, bro? Oh my god, this is the craziest power you can ever have. A chainsaw coming out of your body. That is the craziest shit you can ever have. Okay. Well, it was a devil hunter, so. Nah, that would do shit. Kill that motherfucker. Fruit Ninja! What? What are you doing? Is he tossing them to... Oh, okay. At least he can talk. Oh my god, Fruit Ninja! Bro, this is Fruit Ninja here, right here, bro. Slice and dice. Slice. Come on, slice. Bonus points. And the string from Demon Slayer. Just one slice, bro. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. I'm gonna go bust out the chainsaw and just cut a wood or something. The way... Oh my god, this is awesome. Why are the zombies still alive? You're all supposed to drop dead.
あんたたちの方は心まで悪魔になっちまったみてえだな。
Now you have to
デビル
die.
ハンターとして雇われてるからに
Oh
悪
shit.
魔はぶっ殺さねえとな。
Oh my god. The pulling of the... I know this is not pulling out of his ass. That would have been crazy, bro. That would have been crazy. Yeah, man. You've paid your debts. Pay your debts, bro. Pay your debts. Oh my god. He's having too much fun. So what's the fuel? Wait, is it... Are you buying fuel? I hope you're not using fuel for that. Because, like, fuel prices are... Gas prices are just... Hello? Oh, I've seen this from the trailer. Definitely. I recognize it immediately, bro. Okay.
先を越されたね。
And kill them all. Oh no. Oh fuck.
生きてるのがいますね。
Nope. He's the one who killed them all. He's the one who killed them all. You guys should... Please do not capture him or tell him anything.
君、変わった匂いがするね。人でも悪魔でもない匂い。これ、君がやったの？
Yep.
だかす。
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bro's a simp.
人だ。
悪魔による乗っ取りの可能性は。
Yeah, most...
乗っ取りは顔見ればわかるもん。私はゾンビの悪魔を殺しに来た公安のデビルハンターなんだ。君の選択肢は2つ。悪魔として私に殺されるか、人として私に飼われるか。
Okay.
飼うならちゃんと餌はあげるよ。
Oh my god, she's gonna turn him into her dog. I've seen this from Redo of Healer. By the way, guys, Redo of Healer is it's a cool anime. It's nice. Recommended. Blood.
食パンにバターとジャ
Okay,
ム
okay.
サラダ、コーヒー、あとデザート
Oh, bro's gonna get jam.
かな。
He's gonna get jam. She's like an angel to him right now.
最高じゃないっすか。
Oh my god, that's awesome. Ah, yeah, this was a very, very amazing first episode. This was an amazing first episode, guys. This was an amazing first episode. Oh gosh. Guys. This was an amazing first episode. Yes, it was. Okay, so we got some recaps from, we met Denji, and I'm assuming that girl's name is Power. I'm assuming her name is Power. I think Denji is not gonna have like a problem being with her, because like he's also a devil hunter, so he understands this, everything. So I guess he's gonna have to be a devil hunter and stuff again. But like, yeah. I guess that's just it. So yeah, this was a very, very awesome first episode. Please like this video, subscribe, follow for more reactions on Chainsaw Man. I'm gonna be dropping Chainsaw Man every week, I hope. Yeah, this channel is not like it's not that good that I'm gonna be like, you guys, if you guys keep engaging, if you're watching this and you keep engaging, then yeah, I'm gonna drop more definitely. Because so yeah. So hit that like button, subscribe, and watch out for more Chainsaw Man reactions in the future. So yeah. Let's smash the like button. Okay, guys. I guess that's it. Goodbye, guys.